Hello everybody, welcome to Karekudi to London channel. This video is full of sari, ready-made blouses, dupatta, salwa, lehenga and what else? So many collections are there. I hope you will enjoy this video. Without further delay, let's get into the video.
Hello, these two are patola saris and this is Moonga silk patola. This one has a border like this and it's a soft, very soft. It's like a pure silk. It's a semi Moonga silk and the sari will be like this, pink with purple border. This is a dupatta. It's not a pure patola. It's a 48 pound with blouse. Without blouse it's a 40 pound. Extra 5 pound delivery. So in this two are already sold. In this we have one more color, blue, rin blue with a green border. This one has a pallu like this. These two are satin sequence saris. One is pink and one is peach, like it's like orange, light orange. The pallu will be like this. Sari half will be sequence and half will be like this, empty. This is very nice quality. This is available with pico and fall. So any red color blouse, pink color blouse, green color blouse we can wear for this sari. This is the sari will be like this. This is a transparent thin sequence sari, self color. The quality is very nice. This is a satin, pure satin, and it's not thick satin, it's a thin satin. Blouse will be like plain pink. So only these two saris are available. This is a pink one and one more is a peach orange one. Both are very nice. This will be very nice for the parties, simple parties. And one more color we have orange. It's like a peach color, light orange. This color is very nice. The sari will be like this and pallu will be like all over sequence. The sequence is very classy saris and the material is also very nice and like a pink lace at the end, pink lace. For this sari also we got a orange color satin blouse, but I didn't make the blouses. If anybody want, I can make the blouse, I can do the courier. So with blouse it's a 50 pound, without blouse it's a 45 pound. Swarovski stonework saris. This is a satin, this is a pure georgette. This one is black with a green border. It's a peacock green. It's a stonework saris, very nice. This is a satin material. It's not transparent, but it's a very thin. So this is a black one. For this we got the black blouse, plain black blouse with this border. This sari will be 65 pound with the blouse, 60 pound without blouse. This is the pallu. With the green border, stonework. It's very nice, and the pallu will be like this. Yeah, it's a 65 pound with blouse, 60 pound without blouse.
So with blouse means stitched blouse.
Stitched blouse, yeah. all over stonework saree. This is also stonework, but it's a pure georgette. You can see the material, it's a pure georgette. It's all over work. It's like chicken work. It's not chicken, but it's a chicken work. It's a beige color saree with the beige color lace.
Full embroidery.
Full embroidery. And in this mangoes we have mangoes, and in mangoes we have a stones, Swarovski stones. This is a pastel color with the beige color and pista color embroidery, pink and pista color. So saree will be like this, and the pallu will be like this. This is also 65 pound with the blouse. Without blouse 60 pound. And these two sarees with free delivery, UK free delivery.
Even in India, you can't stitch blouse for 5 pounds.
5 pound,
Yeah.
Soft silk Banarasi sarees. In this we have pink with green border, blue with green border, parrot green border. Two colors are very good. It's very soft material, and the pallu will be green. Blouse is green. It's like this brocade blouse. Saree is very nice quality. It's very soft. Top border will be like this. Bottom will be like this. It's very good quality. Blue with green border. This is very nice. This color is green with blue border. Sorry, blue with green border. Down border will be like this. Top border will be like this. It's a self border. Pallu will be like this. If you wear this saree, it's very grand. It looks very grand.
It's look like Kanjipuram sarees,
yeah.
Muhurtam sarees. Yeah. Very good.
Saree is like this. It's ready with pico and fall. Like with blouse, it's a 35 pound. Without blouse, it's a 30 pound. This is a linen saree, white with gold border and red flowers, pure linen with the gold border. It's a white, but it's a light green shade, I think. Saree. This one has the tassels ready. This is a pallu. This one has tassels ready. This is very nice if you wear with a red blouse or green blouse, black blouse or gold, any blouse. Any ikat blouse or plain blouse also, it will be nice. This is a simple party wear saree. This is 35 pound in UK delivery, free delivery. This is ready with the pico and fall. If anybody want blouse, I can make extra red or any color if they want, but that will be cost extra 10 pound, because this blouse, it won't stay for long. I have to take blouse piece and all, so it's extra 10 pound if anybody want. This is a Chanderi silk sarees. This is a pista green with a gold border. Saree will be like this. This is a pallu. Blouse came like this. Golden lines with pista green with gold lines. Saree is like this. It's a very nice. It's a light like it's like a embroidery, small flower. Light cream with the yellow and gold border. It's in this cream we have a green shade also. You can see the material, it's very nice quality.
All the sarees are very shiny.
Very shiny. The
Yeah.
quality is different.
Yeah.
This one has pallu like this. Same, the blouse will be like this. Yellow with gold lines. This is 35 pound without blouse, 40 pound with blouse. One more Chanderi saree. This is a sea green with a gold border, and it has a navy blue. It's a blue mangoes. It's a quality is very nice. If you see the material, it's very nice quality with the gold border. This has a tassels, ready tassels. This is the pallu, same. This one has also blue with the golden lines blouse. Pallu is like this. Pure Georgette plain sarees with the golden line. One is blue and one is yellow, lemon yellow. So this one has a tassels, handmade tassels. This saree we can wear with the pink blouse or self blue blouse or black blouse, any blouse, or peach blouse, peach color, with the waist belt, blue waist belt. This is a plain saree, pure Georgette. It is ready with the picot and fall. Any work blouse can wear for these sarees. Any work blouse or ikat blouse, any blouse. And one more color we have, this lemon yellow. This is also ready with the picot and fall. This one has a handmade tassels. This saree we can wear with the cream blouse, cream chinkari blouse. So this saree is 23 pound with the tassels, picot, fall, everything ready without blouse. If anybody want, I can make chinkari blouses with the yellow. For yellow saree I can make a cream color blouse. I think cream will be very good. For the blue saree, any like whatever color you want, I can make the chinkari blouse, but that will be cost extra 20 pound. This is organza work dress, top red color and bottom it is peach orange color. It has an embroidering like this. It's a large size for the big girls, like any people can wear. This is a peach with the red. It has a short hands. It's a large size customized gown. It's a long gown. It's a 45 pound within UK. It's a pure Georgette long gown with the bell hands, light bell hands, and neck it's a Chinese collar. Yoke will be like this, like it's like chicken work. It's like chicken work. It's a pure Georgette dress. It's a light orange. It's a peach color. It's a very lightweight Georgette. It has a crepe lining and can also. It's a large size gown. It's a pure Georgette large size gown, 40 size with the 3/4 hands. It's a 70 pound long gown. It's a peach color 70 pound long gown. This is a medium size black one. It's a 30 pound. within UK delivery, 30-pound kurti. It's not a rayon cloth, it's not a cotton, it's a silk material. It's very shiny, and this one has a buttons like this, and it's a Chinese collar. It's not high neck, it's simple collar. It has a elbow hands. It's not it's a 3/4 hands. It's a long kurti with the golden flowers, golden and cream flowers. This is a medium size. We have maroon color. This is also silk cloth. It's not a cotton rayon cloth, it's a silk. It's a pure silk. It has embroidering, golden embroidering, and this has a buttons like golden buttons. It's a simple Chinese collar. It's a large 40 size and with a 3/4 hands. It's a long kurti. And one more we have large size. It's a blue peacock blue, I think. This one has a side buttons. It's a large size, 40 size, and this one has a golden mica print. It's a silk material, it's not the cotton material. It's like A-line kurti, it's not the straight cut, it's A-line cuts kurti. Size will be large and 40. It's a 3/4 hands. In this we have another color available, peach color with a golden print, mica print. This is also 40, large size, and with the side buttons. This is also A-line kurti. So I think it will come for the XL also, XL people also. So this is this width is big. This one has a cut here. Both have. This is a mica print silk material. It's not the cotton rayon material, it's a silk material. So this is 30 pound within UK delivery. Two are large sizes. In this we have two colors available, blue and peach. Both are for 30 pound. Maroon color gown. It's a summer gown. This one has a mica print and with the golden buttons, 3/4 hands, and this waist has like this, and it has cuts. It's like umbrella cut, and sorry, it's umbrella cut dress. This is a 35 pound within UK delivery. This is a medium size. Grey color, medium size with the 3/4 hands. This is a collar, Chinese collar, and with the mica print, and it's a silk material. This is a 40 pound set. This one has a one pant, pencil pant. Is pink set. This is not the rayon, and this is also silk material only. It's for 30 pound. Neck embroidery. It's a medium size, 38 size, straight cut, long kurti. This one with the 3/4 hands. This one has a pencil pant also. It's 35 pound within UK delivery. This is a straight cut pink kurta set. Medium satin cream with the blue flowers. It's not the flowers, it's a blue, it's a print, blue print, grey and blue print. It has a legging, blue legging. It's a satin material. It's very nice quality. It's a 3/4 hands. It's a medium size A-line kurta. It's for 40 pound with legging. We have mustard yellow with the grey flowers. This one has a waistline like this and it has a cuts as well. It's the latest one, like frock model with the 3/4 hands. It's a medium size with the pencil pant, ankle length pencil pant. With the peacock blue crepe material. And this is a dupatta. This is a rin blue half pattu blouse with the embroidery. This is hands, elbow hands, round neck, princess cut blouse, and back will be like this. Front the work will be like this. This will fit for medium, small to medium. I think large won't. I think yeah, large also they will fit. We have 3 stitches inside. We can make extra 1 stitch here. But this is a mega sleeves. It's not the elbow hands. It's not 3/4 hands. It's a mega sleeves. It has a front princess cut and back hooks. And it has a tassels also. It's a golden blouse. It will fit for small to medium. How much? It's a 30 pound golden blouse. This is a black dupatta with all over work. We can wear like this dupatta for like chunnis and like for the crop tops also, like lehengas, anything we can wear with the golden border, golden lace, black and golden lace with the all over work, golden work. This is a black dupatta. So we can wear with lehengas also. It's a very nice quality. It's a chignon georgette material. It's all over work. It's for 25 pound dupatta with the tassels. One is blue with the green with blue with the royal blue border. Royal blue border. This also we can wear for lehengas also, like langa oni. I won't sell these dupattas. If anyone can want, I can order these dupattas. These are samples. Grey with the red border. Rajkot Patola dupattas. This is Venkatagiri saree. Green with orange border. With the red pallu. This one has a tassels. This is a sample piece. I won't sell this saree. This is a mehendi green with the orange border. The saree will be like this. Green, mehendi green with the orange border. Venkatagiri saree. This is a long border and top border will be like this. Pallu will be like this. This is a 18,000 with blouse. Within UK delivery I will do. I can take orders any colors. This is a sample saree, mehendi green with the orange border. This one has a red blouse. Very nice quality. 18,000. If you wear this saree, it's very grand. It will look very grand. This one has I made tassels for myself. Red pallu with the orange border. Quality is very nice. It's very beautiful saree. This is chinkari lehenga with the tassels. You can see the quality. It's very nice. It's a pure Georgette chinkari. Can inside. Cream color with mustard yellow blouse, all over blouse, Jardosi work, and it's a rust color. Jardosi work. It's a raw silk blouse. It is mega sleeves, and back will be like this, padded blouse. This is a sample. This is not for selling. This is only for the sample piece. It has a tassels. This will fit for large size. This one has a dupatta like this. This is a crop top actually. It's not the lehenga. It's a crop top. But we can wear like lehenga also. It's a Banaras, pure Banaras Georgette dupatta with the cream color border. Quality is very nice. It's a Banaras Georgette dupatta. It's a mustard yellow with the cream combination.
Nice color
This
combination.
combination is very good. Any age people can wear. This one with the mustard yellow blouse with the mustard yellow blouse